Today we add a blood and hit effect when our character is being hit. First, create a blood effect in a particle system and add this to an empty prefab. Then add this prefab to your character and disable it. Go to the target CS script that I used from the dead animation and add the following code. We need to add the game object that holds the blood prefab. Then we add a function that will activate this prefab, wait for a second and then disable it again. If a character dies, the prefab will be disabled. Now add the prefab to the empty field and let's try it out. As you can see, as the character is getting hit, the blood effect will show and is visible for the player. Now you also can add sounds or UI effects. I will show how to add a hit marker sound. So you need to add an audio source and an audio clip. And we create another function that activates to play the sound. It's a simple function. Gets activated when the character gets hit and just plays the audio clip. Add the audio source to your character. Change the settings to what you would like. Get a clip or get an MP3 file from any source. Add this to the hit sound. Now you're good to go. Now the zombie will grunt and show blood when he's getting hit. Now you can start adjusting the settings to make it how you like to. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more content.
Visit clipcourse.dev and navigate to the tutorial section in the category list. You'll discover all our tutorials along with the accompanying files available for free and secure download with just one click.